Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Epson ET2720 printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy documents on this device. To create a copy, you just need to open the cover of this device and place the document you want to copy here on this glass. Close the cover and find the copy on your printer home screen. So I'll show you it right now. Wait a while. So find your copy and using right and left buttons. So you just need to scroll to copy button. Click OK, and here you need to choose color mode or black and white mode. So if your card you want to print has different colors, so you can print it in color mode. But if you have no inks, color inks, you will not be able to print in color mode. You need to know about it. But I have black and white paper, black and white document, so I wanna print it in the black and white mode. So click OK, and now click copy. Wait a while. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.